Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Shopify app for brand swatches. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize your Shopify app for brand swatches, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the apps section on the left sidebar. Click on the app you want to authorize for brand swatches. If you haven't installed the app yet, you'll need to do that first by searching for it in the Shopify App Store. After selecting the app, look for the Settings option within the app's dashboard. Once you're in Settings, find the Brand Swatches or similar option. Click on that option to begin the authorization process. You'll typically see an Authorize button or link. Click on it to continue. Next, you may be prompted to grant permissions for the app to access your store's data. Review the permissions carefully before proceeding. If everything looks good, click the Confirm or Allow button to give authorization. After authorizing, you may see a success message confirming that the app is now connected. Now, return to the app's dashboard to customize your brand swatches as needed. Follow the specific instructions provided by the app to set up your brand swatches. Be sure to preview the changes to ensure they display correctly on your storefront. Finally, save your changes to apply the new settings. Congratulations, your Shopify app is now authorized for brand swatches and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.